Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this super simple and easy but cool video transition on CapCut. So have like two videos, right? And select the second one, and then you are going to actually copy it. So select the clip and select copy. If I can just find it. Hold on, it's like here somewhere. There you go. And then on the copied version, you're actually just going to select freeze and delete the rest of the clip. Select the last video that you just duplicated and select overlay and add it to the beginning of the video here, and just make it a little bit shorter. Then select the clip and go to cutout and select remove background and select, remove background. Or you can select customize cutout, but I'm just going to select remove background. Add a keyframe, add a keyframe at the beginning of the clip and at the end. And at the beginning, you want to put it down so you can't see the clip yet. Then between the keyframes, you are going to go to graphs and add in an ease in graph. If I can just click it. Okay, I do not know why I can't click the graph. Okay, but you're just going to select the ease in graphs. It will work, but my phone's just not working that well, but it will create this effect. Also make sure you freeze it correctly so it's in the same spot as your video, I guess. But make sure again in between the keyframes, go to graphs and select ease in. I just can't at the moment for some reasons, and then press the check mark. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. I'll also, I think, make it shorter will be good. Sorry, let me just do this again. And if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll answer all of them for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.